How to search chat in Zangi. First, open Zangi. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the chat interface. Over here, you'll be able to see all the chats. If you do not find a specific chat over here, tap on the search icon. Now you can search for that contact or chat. Enter the contact number or enter the name over here. Now you can see your contacts. You can find the chat like this. If you want to search inside the chat for a specific keyword, tap on the chat of your choice. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option search. Now enter the specific keyword over here. Now you'll be able to find that particular message. Likewise, you can also search by date. Tap on the option search by date. Now tap on the date of your choice and tap on the option jump to date. Now you can see the message from that date over here. Like this, you'll be able to search for chat or within the chat. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.